Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on Veterans Day Friday, looking at Narragansett Town Beach, low clouds. Some rain on the way. It'll be arriving shortly. We're recording this as of about 3:30 in the afternoon. Now, we are on a pinpoint weather alert. Fortunately, we don't have anything really extreme or severe, but there is a wind advisory for southern areas. Actually, it starts at 10 o'clock tonight through early on Saturday morning. And here's the deal. This is due in part to remnants from what was once tropical, once Hurricane Nicole. I mean, clearly we're not getting a hurricane. But some rain tonight, heavy at times, some thunderstorms, and some gusty wind. Now, when we say gusty, it's pretty much reserved for the area shaded in light brown here. Southern Washington County. Look at that, just updated now. So Southeast Connecticut now included in the wind advisory that just updated as we were on the air here. So it's eastern Kent County, Narragansett Bay, Fall River, Washington County, New Bedford, east coastal Massachusetts, south of Boston, the Cape of the Islands, Block Island. So gusts out of the south-southwest anywhere from 40 to 50 miles per hour. So wind gusts of that magnitude, you can get in isolated outages, a tree limb down, a power line down. So that's what we're looking at overnight tonight, early tomorrow morning. We're not expecting widespread damage, widespread outages, but more isolated and scattered. Even though the northern inland areas are not included in the wind advisory, you'll be fairly windy here as well. And again, the strongest wind would be reserved for later tonight, even though it's breezy right now, and early tomorrow morning. Very unusual day today with little to no sunshine. Look at these high temps. In fact, we're going to be in the 70s easily Saturday afternoon with some sunshine. It starts off rainy and windy early Saturday morning, but the sun does come out by 12 noon. So here's the moisture well in advance of what was once Nicole. Let me widen out the view for you a little bit here. So the center of circulation is, where's my arrow? Right here. But the moisture is spreading well ahead of it and out across the mid-Atlantic. This is all we working in tonight through early tomorrow morning. Though fortunately, we don't anticipate the rainfall amounts to be excessive, and we'll get to that in just a second. So we're getting real close here, and we'll take a look at first the peak wind gust forecast. And we've got generally 35 to 40 mile per hour gusts tonight, tomorrow morning in this area in yellow. Let's say south and east of Providence, in this orange area, gusts of 45 to 50. Once you start flirting with 50 mile an hour gusts, you can sometimes take down a tree limb or a power line. So if there's any outages, and again, I do stress they would be isolated or scattered rather than widespread, the better chance would be in this area in orange. As far as rainfall amounts, I mean, it's a good soaking inch and a half of rain that may cause some big puddles on the roads, some ponding of water on the roads overnight tonight. Be mindful of that. But these amounts are manageable, so that's not too excessive. But there'll be some downpours at times. And don't be surprised to hear the rumble of thunder, though I don't think that'll happen until well after midnight and into the pre-dawn hours. So for this evening, showers, breezy, unseasonably mild, and the rain and the wind starting to pick up as we get closer to midnight. As we get beyond midnight, probably a better chance of getting an isolated thunderstorm. And then we take you into Saturday morning, very early. It is rain and wind, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. I think by 10 o'clock, this is pretty much gone. By 11 a.m., we're starting to break out into some warm sunshine. Look at the temperature at 71. And check this out. Just when we thought we were done with spring, almost summer-like weather, look at Saturday afternoon. Breezy and warm temperatures in the lower 70s with some sunshine. So the second half of the day is much better. Make the most of it because we do anticipate chilly weather to return on Sunday. All right, Bay forecast, you got a gale warning. You're kind of stormy early in the morning with rain and thunder through about 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. Southwest wind will switch to the west at 15 to 20, gust to 40 knots. Visibility is poor before 10 a.m., but improving certainly by the noontime hour. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.